dear friend. Myself is Naneshwari Nilesh Shendre. I am from grade 10. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day. We remember the countless sacrifices to give India precious gift of freedom. On 15 August 1947, India became independent. But the freedom is the responsibility to take up, to think, to express and to ask the question to our nation. मैं उस देश के नागरिक हूँ जिसके होठों में गंगा और हाथों में तिरंगा. वो देश कभी सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, कभी वंदे मातरम तथा कभी पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा से हो. मैं उस देश के नागरिक हूँ जिसके ठुकराए हुए शरण स्थल भी पाया जाता है, जो सात समुद्र पर परदेशियों को भी ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर कहलाता है. वह पूज्य भूमि भारत देश कहलाता है, भारत देश कहलाता है. Today's youth of a nation, today's youth of a responsibility to have the technology of information, global knowledge and the knowledgement. The freedom without responsibility become a selfishness. Freedom with responsibility become a progress. So we follow the rules, respect others and keep our surroundings neat and clean, standing the injustice against of the injustice. It is not a being a good citizen, it is a strength of a nation. Now I represent the youth of a face. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said, the constitution is not a document, it is a beagle of life. The spirit rich, we remember him, but remembrance is easy, standing it's difficult. We reduce the legacy of him, and we proudly said he gives the democracy, constitution and fundamental right to all of us. उन्होंने केवल संविधान ही नहीं लिखा, बल्कि पूरे राष्ट्र की परिकल्पना तथा समानता नहीं, वास्तविकता के साथ. Today, youth of a nation is the next division, like criticize languages and the regions. Now I lodge in rise, and might be one question. A real question is, क्या वास्तव में विविधता हमारे खतरों की है या हमारे सोच की जो हमें पाने से रोकती है? Our constitution is written by B.R. Ambedkar. He does not give the 100 identities, but gives the two important words: we the people of India, not we the Hindu, we the Sikh, we the Tamil, we the Punjabi. We the people of India. So here, standing in the Parliament of India, I don't see the nationship by the history, ladies and gentlemen. I see the history which Dr. B.R. Ambedkar gave to all of us, the vision that India are different languages, different region and a different country. So come together, not to contribute and coexist, but reduce